Welcome back everybody to another restoration video. As you can see here today in the shop, we have in our hands a Travis Scott 4 Cactus Jack, and on this pair right here you can tell it's pretty busted. Shout out to the homie at Universal Wears for actually wearing his shoe, taking them to Rolling Loud, and well, you can see the damage. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this restoration. As you can see here, I'm grabbing my Angelus Suede Easy Cleaner, grabbing a 1-to-1 solution, filling it up with a little bit more water, and just going ahead and cleaning out the mud on the shoe. As you can see here, I'm only using the wet cleaning method on the parts of the Jordan 4 where it's covered most with dirt. You can't get it off with a suede brush and an eraser, so this is going to be your next best step. But the bad side to this is the fact that you will have to re-dye the whole shoe to get the color back, because if you do use the wet method, the color runs out. And this is exactly why I don't use the dry method on suede shoes, and it's because of this discoloration. When you use water on suede, it tends to lose its color, it tends to lose its texture, and it doesn't look good overall. But don't worry about that, we're going to be switching it up, and we're actually going to be re-dyeing the full shoe to its exact color. So without further ado, we're actually just going to be cleaning the right shoe right now with the exact same process as before, the 1-to-1 ratio of water and Angelus Easy Cleaner. And without further ado, let's skip on to the next part. And now that the shoe's fully dried, what you're going to want to do next is grab some sandpaper and start lightly sanding the shoe. You're going to want to go within the higher grit, anything higher than 1,000. I start off at 1,000 and work your way up to 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, and etc. But what you're going to want to do right after is actually just mask off whatever areas you don't want painted. So for the Jordan 4, the back tab, the wings, the insole, the midsole, everything that's not blue, you're going to want to cover it up. And now for the mixture. I got this online, so the link's going to be down in the description, and the way I applied it is using the airbrush. You're going to want to use a strainer and strain the mix right before inserting the dye into the airbrush to reduce any kind of clumping. And now, just spray away. And after several coats of applying that mixture onto this Travis Scott 4 Cactus Jack, I can easily say that this shoe turned out horrible. I absolutely hate it. I hate the way it felt in my hand. I hated the way it looked. It still looks super discolored. The top portion does not match the bottom portion at all. It looks like it hasn't been restored, and I honestly hated doing this restoration because of how difficult it was to match the color on these uppers. These uppers are very difficult, but we're gonna retry it and we're gonna do a whole new episode of these Cactus Jack Travis Scott 4's. So if you guys want to see that, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know exactly what you guys want to see on the next episode of this Travis Scott. But without further ado, I give this one an absolute rating. I'll do better on the next one, trust. This next episode, gonna go crazy. But without further ado, appreciate y'all for watching this video all the way until right here if you're still watching. But without further ado, I'll catch y'all on the next episode. Appreciate y'all. leave a like, comment, subscribe, check out the Instagram, check out all the links down below. But without further ado, I'm out. You know what? I'm gonna plug everything. Check out the Instagram, check out the YouTube, check out the Facebook, check out the Twitter, check out everything. Check out the guys over at Milk Room. If you guys want your Travis Scott cleaned or any kind of shoe cleaned, please check out 982 Monterey Street here in San Luis Obispo, where I'll be doing restorations all day, every day. Or actually from Thursdays 1 to 6, Thursdays to Sundays. So if you guys want your kicks restored, come on by. I got y'all. And without further ado, this is gonna be the last one. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.